Today we're gonna read the sentence which is the lazy cricket watched the ants. This sentence. But before we read the sentence, we have to identify which word that you know. Okay, so let's challenge yourself. How many words that you can read in here? Okay, I will help you identify how many words do we have in here. Okay, the first one is จิ้งหรี but we separate into two syllables, which is จิ้ง and read. Okay, next. จอม next. ขี้ next. เกียร์ next one. เห็น next one. ฝูง and last one. มด the first syllable that I mentioned is จิ้ง, right? So let's find the vowel of this one. Where is it? Right, it's สระอี. Okay, so let's read this word together. Start with the จอจาน thing. จอจาน. And with สระอี, which is อี. The ending sound is ง. Sounds like sing. Ng. So จะอิง จริง. And จอจาน is in the middle class consonant, right? So it's gonna make the tone as you see, the tone as you see from the tone mark. This is my tone. So my tone is in the third tone, which is falling tone. จริง 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 Next one. หระอี สระอี ค่ะ. And where is the initial consonant? This one is a little challenge because the first consonant is หระ หอหีบ and รอเรือ. But we're not gonna pronounce the หอหีบ thing. Keep it silent. And we only pronounce the รอเรือ thing here. R. Okay? So this one is ร. Eat. And ending consonant d. Eat. So the รอเรือ together with the สระอี, which is a long vowel, and it is ended with the dead syllable, which is d. So the sound of it suddenly become a low tone automatically. Read. What is the dead syllable? What are they? So we got like 3 syllables, which are called dead syllables. The first one is g and b and d. So if the word ended with these sound, see, with the g sound, with the b sound, or with the d sound, so it's gonna make the sound of that word, if it has no tone mark, it's gonna become low tone automatically. For example, this one. Read. Supposed to be read, right? But it's gonna be low tone automatically, which is read. 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 So the word จิ้งหรีด means a cricket here. A cricket. จิ้งหรีด cricket. จิ้งหรีด. Okay, let's move to the next word. Where is the vowel of this word? The vowel of this one is o. Same as in Ron. Yeah, same thing. These two, same one. Let's pronounce this word together. Right? So this is jom. Next word. Can you identify where is the vowel of this one? So the vowel of this word is sarai. And initial consonant is k. Kho kai. Kho kai is the high class consonant. Kho kai. So kho, originally the sound of high class consonant, it's already become rising tone by itself. So kho, can you hear the tone? It's rising, right? Kho. So kho, i, he. But we do have like tone mark, which is the mito thing. Mito, it's got to be falling tone here. Key. Key. This is one word with two syllables. Next syllable. Can you identify where is the vowel of this syllable? Here is the vowel of this syllable. So this one we call sara. Iya. Iya. It's the combination between I and ah. So it will come iya. Iya. Right? Iya. 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 When you pronounce it, it's gonna sound like ear. Like your ear. Sounds same. Ear. So let's read this word together. Gõ cài ha. It will be g. And the vowel. Yeah. And jojana. It's another way to write the ending sound. We can use jojan as the sound of dode. When you make the j sound, you can feel the abruptly stop by your tongue, right? So when we pronounce this one, it's got to be giad. But I will write it in T sound, okay? Giad. And don't forget if the vowel together with the date syllable, yeah, it will become low tone automatically. So this one is low tone. It is giad. Giad. This word we pronounce, first one is ki and giad. Ki, giad. Ki giad. Ki giad means lazy. Ki giad. The cricket, which is super lazy, kind of like that. It's lazy cricket. So this one means จิ้งหรีดจอมขี้เกียจ the lazy cricket. Yeah. Next, the vowel of this is here. Right. Hen. Okay, here it is. This is หอหีบ sounds like. And this one is short vowel. And He by itself, it is high class consonant, as I mentioned, right? So the high class consonant is automatically make its own sound, becomes rising tone. So it's got to be hen. Hen. What does it mean, hen? Hen means washed or looked. In this case, it means washed. The cricket, which is lazy, washed. Okay. Next, in pink, where is the vowel in here? The vowel here is oo. Sara'u. Okay, so sara'u. The initial sound is fa. Another high class consonant fa, oo, and ending sound ng. As I mentioned twice, that high class consonant by itself, the sound is gonna be rising. So, phỏ, u, ngò, phủ. Okay, phủ. Phủ is like a group of, an army of the ant. Yeah. And last word is, can you find the vowel here? It's a little challenging. There's no vowel here, but it's invisible here. So the sound of this word is, okay, the first one, m, oh, okay, sounds like oh, m, oh, d, m, oh, d. Okay, but I will write it into od, mod, mod, okay, mod, mod, mod. Mod means ant. And the letter S is phùng, right? It's in plural form. A group of animal, a group of ant, an army of ants. Right? So this one we call mod. So now let's read this sentence together. Let's start from the first one. จิ้งหรีดจอมขี้เกียจเห็นฝูงมด Again one more time 1 2 3 อีกทีนะคะ1 2 3จิ้งหรีดจอมขี้เกียจเห็นฝูงมดอีกทีหนึ่งนะคะ1 2 3จิ้งหรีดจอมขี้เกียจเห็นฝูงมด Again one more time จิ้งหรีดจอมขี้เกียจเห็นฝูงมดจิ้งหรีดจอมขี้เกียจเห็นฝูงมด So the lazy cricket watched the ants จิ้งหรีดจอมขี้เกียจเห็นฝูงมด Cricket อิงไทยออนไลน์ภาษาอังกฤษง่ายๆ and easy Thai for everyone